Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am so excited because if you know me, then you know that I love bagels. They're seriously one of my favorite foods on the planet, but bagels are not that healthy for you. So when my friend Amy Thompson, shout out to you Amy, posted this recipe on her Instagram, I had to try it. I jazzed it up a little bit, and so today I'm going to share that recipe with you because it is amazing. All right, guys, so here are all of the ingredients you will need for the recipe. Just some salt, some Greek yogurt. I used a little bit of fresh rosemary, an egg, some unbleached self-rising flour, garlic powder, Trader Joe's everything but the bagel seasoning. All you do is take a cup of self-rising flour, stir in some garlic powder, and then add a cup of non-fat Greek yogurt. And then I add some salt, and you just stir everything together. Now, after messing with this recipe, I've realized the best way to do this is to do your initial stir with a utensil. And then once it's pretty stirred up, you're gonna wanna dip your hands in flour and then work the dough together. I realized that having your hands covered in flour makes a huge difference, and you really don't wanna have to knead this dough much with your hands because it gets stickier and stickier, and I just don't really find there's a difference in the end outcome for me personally. So at this point, I chopped up my rosemary pretty finely to add to my bagel mix. I love finding ways to add fresh rosemary to my ingredients, and honestly, spoiler alert, I can tell you now, the rosemary in the bagels is amazing. So I rolled it all together, made my little bagel. Oh, by the way, I should have added this at the beginning. These bagels are only 3 points each on Weight Watchers. So if that's a program that you're doing or you're just curious and that information is interesting to you, now you know each bagel is only 3 points. Then at this point, after I cracked my egg, whisked it together, and brushed it on the bagel, I took my everything but the bagel sesame seasoning blend. Oh my gosh, this stuff is amazing. And I went hard with this stuff on the bagel. I just like put it everywhere my little heart desired, smothered this bagel. I think that's a really important part of it too, at least for the way that I like it. I like to go heavy with that seasoning. So then I popped the bagels in the oven at 325 for 22 minutes, or you go until you feel like they look done. And then there we go. Guys, these bagels, in my opinion, are as good as they look. I love taking the bagels, toasting them so they're extra toasty, and then adding some Kerrygold butter. And it is honestly so yummy. I never thought I could be a baker in my life, so this makes me feel very accomplished. Just let me feel that, guys. So yeah, if you missed yesterday's How to Be Happy January video, it was a chatty video, and I talked a lot about what I've been going through the last month and how I've been processing it. And honestly, talking about it right now even makes me feel like very vulnerable, a little uncomfortable, but I really wanted to share, and I hope that it was helpful to you guys. I will see you back here Friday with another new video, and I'll see you in the comments. All right, bye guys.